Hello viewers, in this video I am going to cover two important things about Brave browser: how to install Chrome extension on Brave browser and how to install extension on Brave browser. First open your Brave browser and search on it extension, whatever extension you want to install it. Then go to Chrome Web Store. Now you can see Chrome Web Store. Now I am installing AC Quick extension. Click on Add to Brave. Add extension. Download complete and install SEO Quick on my Brave browser. Then click on extension icon. Click on pin it. Now you can see my AC Quick extension is installed on my Brave browser. Thank you.